You should have a piece of paper and a pen. I will now reveal the topic. Okay, and you will have 2 minutes to make your points. After that, I will call one by one your names, and you have to give the introduction of the topic. Okay.
Okay, sir.
After that, I will say start the GD. You have to do your own GD. I will not interfere in that part. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
everyone is ready for the GD? Shall I reveal the topic now?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So today's topic is Startup India. Startup India, a boost of entrepreneurship. देख सकते हैं Startup India, a boost of entrepreneurship. Okay, you have 2 minutes. Go for it. Okay, time's up. Everyone, drop the pen. All are ready, right? Karan left. I don't know why. He afraid of the topic or something. Vishwaraj, Hars, Ajay, all are ready?
Yes, sir.
Hars,
Yes, sir.
put your video on, Hars. Okay, so I will say start by Vishwaraj. Vishwaraj, start.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are.
Okay, sir. So as today's topic is entrepreneurship, actually it is one of the very interesting topic because even after even our may I continue?
Yes, 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 yes.
So even our government also very much focus on this thing. The reason of focusing of on this topic, according to me, because as we know that uh, the in any sector there is very limited amount of job, and entrepreneurship is basically related to making your own business. Like for developing our entrepreneurship skill, we need idea, we need courage, we need management skill, handling ability, innovation. So even for developing all these things, government in most of the college we found that one of the subject must be available which is related to entrepreneurship. So basically our whole system, basically our Indian system, try to do something so that he can develop um, something in their students or in their persons, so that he can develop their skill related to entrepreneurship. Actually, entrepreneurship, if a person become entrepreneurship, he is able to give a job. He didn't need to take job or ask for job from remaining society. He is able to produce job, but it definitely need a courage mind, very innovative thinking. So according to me, and entrepreneurship, Startup India is completely based on entrepreneurship, completely related to entrepreneurship. Yeah, that's all, sir. I don't
Okay,
have much
good.
idea.
Good. Its topic is little bit hard. You did good. Hers,
Okay, hello everyone. Today I'm going to speak about Startup India and how it can boost our entrepreneurship. How can it boost entrepreneurship? So, first of all, Startup India is a campaign which was started by DPIT, and it emphasizes on giving eligibility to the companies which are eligible for taking that which can be recognized as entrepreneurship, which are eligible to be recognized as entrepreneurship. And Startup India is started by the government to boost our economy. Actually, how? Actually, Startup India gives eligibility to companies whoever starts to open a company or start a company, and the company will be able to generate some jobs and can produce and can start a new service for the society. And if that company is able to do that, then it can uh, uh, it can generate jobs, and it can also generate generates capital for the whole nation. And when the companies is when the number of companies increase in a nation, then the economy of the nation increases, and it also improves. And also, the as we know, the export is more important than import for a country, and when we are able to sell more our services and goods to the rest of the nations, then that is how our economy will increase. So government has started a very good campaign, which will be able to improve our entrepreneurship, and which will boost the new youths and the new students to start their own companies. So that's all from my side. Thank you very much.
Good. Ajay.
So, good evening, everyone. One of the famous persons says that creating an opportunity is better than taking or granting an opportunity. So, Startup India is a good campaign. It is a campaign that was introduced by Indian government. Startup India as the topic is a boost of entrepreneurship. So basically, it is implemented to make self-dependent, self-reliable persons. So basically, in Startup India, we deals with how to create a job, because unemployment is basically increases rapidly. So how to deal with this kind of campaign was introduced. So when a person is self-independent, or when a person is creating a job, then he can provide a job. As government or our country basically run on taxes or different kind of revenue. So a lot of industry used to generate revenue. If a lot of industry will be there, then a lot of tax will can be collected by the government. So the government can run on better way, because government basically runs on money, and that money is collected from the tax. So there are two kind of thinking behind government to startup for the Startup India. One was the increasing the employability skills, and one of the and the another was to create a better economic power. So basically, as I had studied that in an article, that every startup that if in any year 100% startup a company starts, then a lot of companies basically fail to run their company in 0 to 5 years. That means in their first 5 years, basically they fail because of their capital investment or due to some other problems. And apart from that, the rest in 10% company, or the rest percent startup, only 2 to 3% remains reliable or stable in their company, because always a startup take times to create relations between public and to outreach there. So we need to one of the best thing is that how to boost our startup, because basically the startups are filled due to self-confident, self-reliable, and a lot of less of skills. So basically the Startup India was launched by the government to improve this kind of things.
Okay, now it's time to do your own GTD. Just take your chance and say as much as you can. Anyone, go for it.
So one of the things that I observed in my college that a lot of clubs or a lot of company visit in our college to promote startups, so that from our basic kind of studying area, studying zone, we can create our employability skills or startup kind of skills. And a lot of competitions were going on in nowadays, online, offline, or in college, to promote startups. That is one of the good initiative by the government as well as education system to bring startup skills.
Yeah, I agree with Ajay, whatever he said. And the first quote that he said, that taking an opportunity is not that favorable. Then, but if we can create an opportunity, then it will be very good for the society. And in respect of that, I uh, I think that uh, that is very much important for our society, because in this era when everyone is running behind jobs, behind different competitive exams and all, there is a lot of density. There is a lot of people behind that, and most of the students don't emphasize on starting at their own ideas, giving their own ideas, and starting their own company and something like that. But they are all in a race behind behind the same goal. They are not having different goals. They are behind a started competitive exam. So actually, in this era, that is a very good campaign started by our government.
Uh,
Uh, yeah, actually, both of them speak true. Even I want to compare some of the difference between job and uh, entrepreneurship. Actually, I have a study somewhere that in even the chance of success in entrepreneurs is about 10%. It means that if 100 people is go for entrepreneurship, then from 100, the number of student or the number of people which got selected is 10. And if we go for job, then even for even 10 post or even a 20 post, 1,000 people, 1 lakh people, even more than that can apply. So the chance of success in entrepreneurship is also more than that of the job. So it is one of the courage thing or one of the motivating thing to go and start their own business or start their own entrepreneurship in place of go for job. Yeah, because both of them say true that in job there is lots of competition, but definitely entrepreneurship definitely required your own dedication and your if you are more dedicated towards that particular thing in which you want to explore or you want to do your entrepreneurship, definitely you need very good dedication. And another thing I want to tell that in entrepreneurship, definitely most of the entrepreneurs, the person who can apply for entrepreneurship are not economically well. So our government also take number of initiative, like he can they provide number of loan for their staff for startup India and number of things. So yeah, this is good thing according to me, which is done by the government. Thank you.
Vishraj, you said very good point about that. Government is providing loan to boost that kind of thing. That is one of the very good thing that I found. Very few company have skills, but they don't have capital investment, or can say that they don't have better economy. So by taking their loan or creating and relations with public, because when public are not connected with any startup, then a startup cannot succeed. So they use various kind of thing to make relations with public. So in short, we can say that any startup can be run effectively if it has a better economy, that is better capital, and another is better public relationships, and the one of the best thing is better dynamic thinking or innovative thinking that can boost any startup entrepreneurship.
and which is only possible if a person is very much interested towards that job. So yeah, so interest and motivation is important for a startup. So I think our government must also need to do that. They help the person who want to do their startup or who want to develop new business, that in which field they are more interested. Even in most of the places, student or anything, they only go for the in that direction where everyone goes. So it is not important according to me. If we go in that side in which we are interested, then the goal in which then we achieve that goal that we want. And entrepreneurship is only possible if I feel interest in that business. So definitely interest is also related to entrepreneurship.
Yeah, I actually
Obviously.
agree with Vishwaraj that he said that one needs dedication, and that is very much important, because whenever someone wants to start some startups and all, then actually the he will get it, that the percentage is very less, but he will have to stick to that, and the government and the person both have to both have to work hand in hand with them, because I have seen many examples of that, like the one I am Chaiwala. I hope you will. He started a startup with a chai stall, and he has made a crores of company. So those type of different ideas are very much important for and a real example for us.
Okay, all done, na? So now it's time for conclusion, and everyone has to give the conclusion, right? So starting from Ajay, in short, okay, short and very precise conclusion, because we do not have much time.
So,
Everyone have to give some.
basically, we come to conclude that basically Startup India is a function of better economy, better public relationship, and a better dynamic thinking as well as innovative thinking to establish that company and run very effectively. We have to improve this kind of thing, and as well as Startup India can create jobs, so it can reduce unemployability. That's all from my side.
Good. Hers.
So to conclude, from my side, I would like to say that Startup India is a very good campaign which is started by the government, which can actually improve our economy and let it go to a better side. And in this, both government and the person who is willing to start a company like that need to work hand in hand with that idea. Then only the initiative will be beneficial for our nation. That's all.
Vishwaraj.
Yeah. So yes, sir. So basically, Startup India is just like according to me, as a conclusion, is Startup India is just a campaign which is related to entrepreneurship, in which is basically related to business, in which we need some different idea. Any startup develop if it is different and it is attracting. So definitely we need to do some more. We need to educate our society or our student who want to do their startup, so that he can able to think related to some new. He's able to think some new idea to do some new business. So all this thing is required to develop any startup. Yeah, that's from my side.
Good. Topic was little bit tough, right? No one has
Yes, sir.
thought of that. This type of topic I may give. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Because
sir.
we
We
definitely
didn't expect this topic
focus
actually.
on job and go for job. That's why we generally don't think about entrepreneurship.
You don't think of, but after now, I think after this session, you will think that, right? Okay, how this is going to happen. Okay. So actually, in conclusion, I would say that if HR say you give the conclusion, what you should do is you should say like that after this discussion, we have come to this conclusion, or whatever the whatever points have been discussed by everyone, you have to add that. Okay, in a very short, and plus you can also add your innovative idea that will highlight you. Okay, suppose you haven't said a lot in the ZD because you haven't understand the topic, but in the last, okay, in the conclusion also you can say a good and you can get a selection. Okay, so everyone, there is always a chance to win the game. So that's how we can give the conclusion and your feedback. I have seen that everyone is doing you are improving a lot. Everyone is has lots of improvement, right? Anyone want feedback because we have left 9 minutes only?
Shai, can you give feedback to me?
Okay, I will upload the video. You can see yourself that how you have improved. But what I will say, Hers, you did wonderful. I am seeing lots of improvement in you. Okay, the very important thing is that while you say na, you should have a smile. Not only saying to you, Hers, Ajay, Vishwaraj, everyone, because जब हम लोग कुछ सोच रहे होते हैं, while we're thinking points ना, we forget about our expressions. But we should not think as much deep in that thing. We should हमें इस चीज का भी ध्यान रखना है कि we should have a good expressions. Okay, while we are thinking on the topic, we lost our expression. So to catch the eye of the HR, you should have a very good expressions, like have a smile on your face. Okay, how how you can maintain your smile, how this could be going to be possible, how this will only be going to be possible when you are saying something now. You just say slow, you just say think, and you also just to think that how your expression is. Okay, what happened actually कि हम लोग we have lots of points and we just want to say all the points, and we just want to say all the points. So what we do hurry, and in that hurry we lost everything. So instead of doing hurry, we should focus on that. We should finish the first point. Okay, then we will take a pause, we will have a smile, then we will say second, pause, have a smile. Okay, then we will say a third. Okay, so we should, because what happens ना, जब हम जल्दी जल्दी बोल रहे होते हैं तो बीच में अटक जाते हैं कभी कभी. So we did good, but अचानक से हम रुकते हैं तो वो थोड़ा सा impact खराब create कर देता है. उससे अच्छा है कि we should say slow, have a smile, and I think internet is unstable. Have a smile and just say the next. Everyone are getting what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Vishwaraj, Ajay, you also have done very good. Amazing effort here. So super, fantastic. वो कौन था जो फर्स्ट आया था? His name forgot. जो छोड़ दिया, just left.
I think Karan.
Yeah, Karan. So we should not leave the battle. ऐसा हो सकता है एक्चुअल जब तुम फेस कर रहे हो रियल वर्ल्ड में, तो यू हैव टू फेस द हार्श रियलिटी. ऐसा भी हो सकता है ना, इफ यू वुड हैव फेस्ड अर्लियर, यू हैव एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ दैट, तो वर्ल्ड यू विल फेस विल बी इजियर देन दैट. मैं जिस तरीके का दे रहा हूँ टॉपिक, ये थोड़ा हार्ड है, बट व्हेन यू विल फेस द रियल, यू विल फील दैट इट्स द रियल जीडी आर रियली वेरी इजी. ये तो तुम्हें कब फील होगा? व्हेन यू वुड हैव फेस्ड ना हार्डर देन दैट. ओके. Okay, so I think we should stop here. Whatever I say, always you should focus. You can see your improvement in the video. The best way to and see your feedback or have an analysis is just see your video, right? Okay. Anyone have any question? We just have
Yes, sir.
5 minutes only left. Swaraj, Harsh, Ajay, any questions? कैसा था topic? Are you feeling more confident now, or what? You
Uh,
want to say something about the platform, what I am doing or helping you? Say.
it was really good. It made us to think a lot, some different point, how we can think about others' point to support their view.
Hmm.
That kind of topic really make us able to think a lot, because it was really related with real kind of world that we are going to enter. So
Yeah.
that was a very interesting topic.
You have a
Yeah, I agree with that.
thought of that, and you're thinking now, right? Swaraj.
Yeah, actually, I
Huh. Yeah.
too didn't have much idea about this topic. But after this, Didi, I think I will search on web about the topic, and will get more information about it.
Yes. Good.
Yes, after every GD, I used to search that topic and try to gain some more points on that topic. That is one of the very good thing
Yes.
about this, about your initiative, that at least we are trying to search on particular topic and read that kind of content.
Share it to your friends. We are only 3 students. Share to some of your dedicated friends who can join, because there should be 8 students, 5 students. Then you will face the more reality. You are getting now lots of time, but there will be 8 students. Now, then you will face the reality. No, we will not have that much time. Okay.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes.
सर, ये सही है कि नहीं, हम लोग अगर टेक्निकल क्लब में पार्ट लेते हैं अपने कॉलेज के, तो वो बेनिफिशियल है कि नहीं? जैसा आपका एक मैं वीडियो देखा था, उसमें मैनेजमेंटल मतलब वो कुछ और था, आप दूसरे क्लब का बात कर रहे थे, वो टेक्निकल से रिलेटेड नहीं है, लेकिन अगर मैं टेक्निकल क्लब में कोई ज्वाइन करता हूँ तो वो सही रहेगा कि नहीं रहेगा?
Yes. Any club you should join. You will learn a lot.
सर, लेकिन ये पैंडेमिक में तो अभी तक पॉसिबल ही नहीं है कि कॉलेज
in this pandemic it is not possible. So इसमें मैं क्या ही बोल सकता हूँ, ये पैंडेमिक, बट हाँ ऑनलाइन ऐसा कुछ होता है तो उसमें भी करो
सर,
ऑनलाइन.
वही पूछना था.
हाँ
Is there any
ऑनलाइन.
online
हाँ
something so?
ऑनलाइन. You are asking me about anything.
Yes, sir.
Don't have any idea of the clubs. You should join the वो क्लब को ज्वाइन करो तुम्हारे अपने का हो, मतलब किसी और का ज्वाइन करके तुम क्या करोगे जहाँ पे अपने दोस्त हैं तुम्हारे.
सर, एक्चुअली आफ्टर ये लॉकडाउन, जब से मेरा एडमिशन हुआ है तब से लॉकडाउन ही चल रहा है, तो अभी तक से कोई दोस्त नहीं बना है.
अच्छा, दोस्त भी नहीं बना अभी तक क्या? तो क्या ही कर सकती है, तुम्हारा ही नहीं सबका यही सिचुएशन है.
बनाया तो फोन पे बना है, तो वो मतलब उस टाइप का नहीं होता है ना.
हाँ दोस्त बना फोन पे बना उतना फ्रेंडली नहीं हो सकता, बट ये ज्यादा दिन तक नहीं रहेगा, परेशान मत हो, ये इस साल में फिनिश हो जाएगा. वैक्सीन आ गया ना, वैक्सीनेशन हो जाने के बाद कोई बहुत बड़ा दिक्कत नहीं. ये सब चीज एक समय है, हार्ड टाइम है, ये सब फिनिश हो जाएगा. अपने जो मेहनत कर रहे हो वो कंटिन्यू रखो. ये नहीं कि ये समय ऐसा चल रहा है तो अभी सब कुछ छोड़ देता है, ऐसा मत करना. जो कर रहे हो, जो प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो, ये कर रहे हो, एप्टी रीजनिंग का प्रैक्टिस करते रहो. ये तुम्हारा गेट में भी हेल्प करेगा, तुम अदर एग्जाम्स में भी हेल्प करेगा. आगे जाकर के तुम डिफरेंट एग्जाम दोगे, गेट से दूसरा होगा तुम्हारा इवेंट जो तुम अभी जिसके लिए प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो, है ना? एम ऑडिबल? हेलो विश्वराज, यू आर गेट एवरीवन, एम ऑडिबल?
सर, विश्वराज का ये क्वेश्चन था कि क्लब में घुस सकते हैं क्या? तो जैसे
यस बोलो.
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
सर, कैन यू हियर मी?
यस बोलो. एक मिनट है, बोलो.
सर, तो हमारे जब कॉलेज प्लेसमेंट में लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज भी जैसे हम लोग को एज देते हैं क्या?
यस बहुत ज्यादा.
लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज
अपने
हमारे
इंटरव्यू में, हाँ अपने इंटरव्यू में 2-3 चीज को हाईलाइट करना. तुम कहीं पे लीडरशिप क्वालिटी वाला काम किए हो, सोशल वर्क या फिर जो भी हो, जिस भी चीज में किए हो, ठीक है. यू हैव अटेंडेड द इवेंट्स, या फिर इवेंट्स को ऑर्गेनाइज कराए हो, या फिर गेम्स में हो, ठीक है. ये 2 चीज हाईलाइट करना वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है प्लेसमेंट में. समझ में आ रहा है?
हाँ सर.
स्पोर्ट्स
सर, मैं जैसे अभी थर्ड
स्पोर्ट्स
ईयर में
पर्सन
हूँ.
ऑब्जर्व करता है. हाँ नहीं है तो क्या हुआ, फेक करना सीख जाओ यार। हर चीज थोड़ी ना जान रहा तो तुम क्या हो नहीं हो। अपने दोस्तों से पूछो तुम कैसे ऑर्गेनाइज कराते हो, उससे स्टोरी जान लो क्या दिक्कत आता है। जब भी कुछ बोलोगे ना कि ये ऑर्गेनाइज करवाते हैं, तो अभी ये वीडियो खत्म हो जाएगा लेकिन सुन लो, ठीक है। जब भी कोई पूछे कि ऑर्गेनाइज करवा रहे हो तो उसमें पूछे कि सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट ये पूछेगा कि दिक्कत क्या आता है। तो वो पूछ लेना दोस्तों से, दिक्कत को कैसे करते हो सॉल्व, ये एचआर पूछ सकता है, ठीक है। चलो इसमें खत्म हो जाएगा, फिनिश हो जाएगा, इतना ही रखते हैं हम लोग, है ना। तो ये याद रखना, गेम्स या फिर कुछ भी इवेंट और ऑर्गेनाइज, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है। ओके, चलो एवरीवन, बाय, है ना।
Thank
Okay,
you.
sir.
Bye.
Sir, thank you.
Thank you, sir.